In the vast expanse of the digital era, a pivotal field soars into view: data science. At its essence, it harnesses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data alike. Evolving from the rudimentary data collection of early computing to today's sophisticated predictive analytics, data science forecasts trends and outcomes, standing on the shoulders of giants. It raises an enduring question: how does data science sculpt our world? Embarking on this exploration, we traverse the realms of healthcare, finance, and technology, witnessing the transformative power of data science. A journey of enlightenment and discovery awaits. Delving into the heart of our journey, the profound influence of data science unveils itself across industries integral to our daily lives. From the financial choices we face each morning to the healthcare we depend on in critical moments, data science acts as the architect, reshaping our existence in ways once unfathomable. In healthcare, predictive analytics is revolutionizing patient care, enabling doctors to anticipate health issues and customize treatments uniquely. This vision is becoming a reality thanks to data science's innovative touch. Turning our attention to finance, we see data science performing a delicate yet crucial dance of fraud detection and risk management, equipping institutions to not only foresee but combat threats, safeguarding our digitalized assets. Within the technology sphere, our exploration uncovers advancements that redefine user interactions, making technology a more personal companion. Virtual assistants and smart apps, attuned to our preferences, exemplify data science's role in crafting these intimate digital experiences. As we reflect on the transformative journey of data science, it's evident that its true essence lies in its potential to not only revolutionize industries, but also uplift humanity. The stories of innovation awaiting us promise to further entwine data science in the fabric of our society, heralding an age of boundless possibilities. Standing at the cusp of a data-driven epoch, the path of innovation and exploration in data science beckons us onward. It invites us into a realm where active participation shapes the future, allowing us to tackle the complexities of modern challenges with unparalleled precision. We envision a world where healthcare preemptively addresses where financial security is impenetrable and where technology anticipates our desires. This vision edges closer to reality each day, offering a glimpse of the vast potential for positive change through data science. As our narrative journey through healthcare, finance, and technology unfolds, it reveals a new horizon filled with endless possibilities. Dive deeper into this compelling field and join us as pioneers, innovating and dreaming of a revolutionized future. The narrative of data science is far from complete. It awaits those bold enough to shape a better tomorrow.